and welcome to Crafted Spaces. Today's project is decorative fridge magnets. We will be using glass stones, decorative metal frames, and notepad paper with a floral motif. We will also need a pencil, scissors, craft glue, and a hot glue gun. So using the shapes that are inside of the little tiny picture frames, I'm going to use that as my template for cutting out my picture images off of here, as well as to be able to use those as a guide for later on a backing for it. Okay, so you just simply will be taking the little picture frames and slipping the paper cutout, I should say, sorry, that's inserted in there. And as you take it out, as you can tell, it gives you a bit of a template to work with already. So I'm not too sure if you're able to see this, but I've cut out the different shapes that I need in terms of where I would like to cut them out off of the paper. And I'm just going to cut them off, and that's going to be the pictures that I'm going to use to include into my frames and into my glass stone. So as you can see, we have the little butterfly that I've cut out. This one has a little butterfly as well as part of the flower, and then we just have the flower on this one. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to back them with the two pieces of paper that came inside of the frames just to support the paper, given that it's a bit light. And I'll show you how we do that. So first I'm just going to add a little bit of glue to the one. Actually, I'm going to use the reverse side. I'm just going to add a little bit of glue to the one paper. You don't need a lot. I'm going to place my flower and just sort of press on it. And kind of use your finger to press the flower down. I'm also going to do it to the other one. Again, positioning it over the shape. I'm going to press down on that a little bit as well. And for this one here, we're going to do something similar to what we saw earlier. And we're going to put the glue on there. We're going to place our stone over it. You can kind of turn that over if you like. Press gently on it so it doesn't shift too much back and forth. And I like to kind of rub it on the edges and get the glue through the paper all along the edges so it's lying flat against the stone. And just kind of put that into position. You want to let that dry so that when you're finished, you can glue the magnet to it. So here we are with our three very beautifully done, I think, pieces. As you can see, the first one there has just the pink flowers in the middle, and the one in the second one, the one in the middle, has a little bit of the butterfly and flower, and then as you can see the one with the stone, you can see the little yellow butterfly with that. You can use any image you like for this, including photographs, or maybe even other images that you can get off of a wallpaper or drawer lining. Okay, so we want to flip these over, and we just want to put a little bit of hot glue there on the metal part, and then place your magnet and put some pressure. Now I like to put it to the bottom because that way if you wanted to change your image inside of the little frame here, you'll be able to do that more easily than if you put the magnet a little bit further up. Well, there we are. We've done a nice range of different magnets, and as you can see, there's a lot that you can do. We've also included a few fun pieces, including the little Legos astronaut guy, and using a bottle cap from one of our malts. We've also included a bottle cap one. So we hope you've enjoyed, and that you will join us again on Crafted Spaces. Thank you.